Good morning, student. In previous period, we completed up to problem set 4. Today we start problem set 5. Problem set 5 also what we have to do? Word problem only. So we write first word problem, that is from page number 80. So what is the problem? Here also we see apply first. A bakery shopper sold 1649 cupcakes in a day. How many cupcakes will he sell in a month? One hint is given. What is hint given? 1 month is equals to 30 days. So once again we read problem. A bakery shopper sold 1649 cupcakes in a day. How many cupcakes will he sell in a month? So one day that bakery shopper, how many he sold? 1649. And what we have to find out, in 1 month how much he will sold. So what we write? Days and number of cupcake. Days. So one day how much he sold? 1649. And what we find out? In 30 days means 1 month. 1 month means 30 days. How much? That we have to find out. Now what we have to do? We multiply this with this into 30. So student, now what you do? See this 0 right here. Now with these 3 multiply with all 4 numbers, digits. So 9 3s are 27. 7 is here. 2 will be carry. 3 4s are 12. And 12 plus 2, 14. 4 is here. 1 will be carry. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 is here. Again 1 will be carry. 3 1s are 3 and plus 1, 4. So how many cupcakes he will sell in month? 49,470. So final answer right here. 49,470 cupcakes sale in a month. So this is our answer. All problems are very easy. So next, on same problem set, one more problem is given, that you have to solve by yourself. Now after that we see next one, that is revise. So now everyone open page number 81. page number 81. revise. Multiple choice question. So first problem, what is given? Multiplication means repeated of a number. What is division, subtraction, addition, and none of these? So what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means what? Suppose 2 into 2 is equals to 4, and see, means here what is here? This number we add. See, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Yes. Now means 2 we write 2 times. One more we see. 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now what is here? 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 3 we add how many? 3 times. Yes, 3 we add 3 times. Means what is the multiplication? Multiplication means repetition of addition. So what is the answer of first one? Multiplication means repeated addition of a number. So this is our first answer. Next one. The result of multiplication is called, that I explained. The result of multiplication what is it called? The result of multiplication is called product. Means what is your answer? That answer is called product. Okay. Suppose 3 4s are 12. So here this 12. This is a answer, and this is we call product. 12 is the product of this 3 into 4. Next, third one. Into 0. What is the answer? If any number multiply 0, then what is the answer? Answer is 0. Yes. Next one. So see, suppose we want the means both side we want same answer. So which number you multiply, then here answer both side answer it will be same. What is there? 5 is there. Okay. Suppose 2 into 4 into 3. So 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Now suppose if we write this number 4 into 2 into, suppose not, 4 2s are 8. 8 is there. Then by which number we multiply, then answer it will become 24. That is 3. So similarly here also. So the answer is 5. Now if you multiply 10 with any number, then what you have to do? Only whatever this number, write that number as it is. 3718 and add this 0. Means only on one's place you have to add 0. So that is the answer. Now next one, 6. Into 25. So in here what you have to do? You have to do multiplication. 124 into 25. So 5 4s are 20. 0 is here, 2 will be carried. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 will be carried. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Downside of 0 give 0. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 will be carried. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 is here. 1 will be carried. And 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer here? 3100. Now what is the 7 given? 7, it is a, there also you have to do multiplication, only word problem is given. If a box has 75 chocolates, how many chocolates there are in a 11 such boxes? So similarly, previously how word problem we saw, it is a similar like that. See, for one box, how many chocolate? 75. So what you have to find out? In 11 boxes, how many chocolates are there? So what you have to do? 75 into 11. You can do in this way, otherwise solve here. 5 ones are 5. 7 ones are 7. Give here 0. 5 ones are 5. 7 ones are 7. Add it. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 is here, 1 will be carry. 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer is there? 825. Next, 8. What is the given 8th one? 19 into 9. So 19 nines are, anyone know? If you don't know, then what you have to do? Do multiplication. 19 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 1 is here, 8 will be carry. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 8 is 71. Yes, 70. 9 plus 8 is 70. The answer is 171. Then next, what is the next given? That is the 9th one. This one is for your understanding. What is given? 20 into 5 into 10. So how to solve this, student? This is very easy. See, how many zeros are there? 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, what is remaining? Suppose this 2 gone. This 0 is not there. This 0 is not there. 2 5s are 10 and 10 ones are 10. So what is the answer here? Your answer is 1000. 10. Now see here. If any number multiply with 1, then what will be answer? any number multiply with 1, then answer is that number itself. 36,780. So this is our answer. Yes. So here we completed. Revise question number 8, that is multiple choice question. Now next, what is the next one? Fill in the blanks. That fill in the blanks are very easy, that you can solve by yourself. Now see, in revise question number A, B, C, you have to C, D solve by yourself. Now your homework. Page number 80, 81, 82 and 83. 81 I only given. So in 80 also one problem I solve. Remaining one you have to solve yourself. Means 82 and 83. That is your homework in notebook and textbook. So complete your homework. That's all for today. Thank you.